Hi, Jennifer Penrose here with Penrose & Associates Physical Therapy, and I want to invite you to our virtual knee pain workshop, April 8th, 5 to 6 p.m. I will go through common causes of knee pain. I will talk about arthritis, meniscus injuries, and patellofemoral symptoms. Basically, I'll cover anything about the knee with knee pain and why it happens and what you can do about it. And we'll go through some exercises that you can do simply from your home. And I'll also have a live Q&A. So the platform that I'll be using is called Webex. So similar to Zoom, Webex is HIPAA compliant. So WEBEX. If you want the link, you'll need to reach out to us at info@penrosept.com or call us 360-456-1444. You can comment below and we will reach out to you to see what we can do to get you set up for being part of the virtual workshop. Again, it's free. And then on top of that, I'm going to offer an online knee pain course that you can sign up for, and there'll be videos in there. I'll be doing some instructions. You'll be able to send me some questions, and we just really want to help people through this time where the COVID-19 virus is really keeping people at home, and we want to be able to offer a way to help with your knee pain. So comment below if you would like to attend, and we will help you get connected for our virtual knee pain workshop.